What's up guys, welcome to AB Auto. Isn't the C43 looking lovely today in the sun? I haven't actually washed it for about a month, so it's actually filthy. I did give the wheels a quick wash, but this is just testament of how great of a colour Brilliant Blue is, because it just looks absolutely stunning, and if you get up close, it's pretty damn filthy. Anyway, in this video, we're going to be talking about mile per gallon, so let's go. Right, so mile per gallon. As you can see with the quad exhaust back there and the AMG badge, this car is pretty thirsty when it comes to the fuel. Now, I'm going to be making a full detailed running cost video of this car. We're going to talk about finance, we're going to talk about mile per gallon, we're going to talk about all the expenses that will come with the car and just how much it's cost me so far. I promise that video is coming soon, guys, but before we look into that, I just wanted to do another experiment because, as you know, on AB Auto here, we love the experiments. Now, even though I mentioned this car is quite thirsty, 400 brake horsepower, it's going to get through the petrol pretty quickly. However, there's actually a secret eco mode. So for these two tests, we're going to do this drive twice. So the first time we're going to drive in my normal driving, which is a combination of Comfort and Sport Plus. So what I mean by that is when I'm on the dual carriageway or the motorway, I'll pop it in Comfort mode and I'll just cruise along. But then when I get to a roundabout or a country lane, I'm going to flick it into Sport Plus. AMG Performance exhaust is going to be blaring. I'm going to be flooring it. I'm going to be going around corners fast. Really kind of what the car's all about. So I have quite a nice journey to work where I have the two of them combined, and you will really see the difference in the mile per gallon when I get from the highway to the country road and we put it in Sport Plus mode. And then we're going to do the exact same drive the next day, but this time we're going to use the eco mode and we're going to drive quite conservatively. We're going to keep it, we're basically going to see how much mile per gallon we can do. So we're going to run the eco mode and we're going to drive nice and steady at normal speeds. And then at the end of the video, we're going to look at the two combined and we're going to see the difference. And I'm also going to work out the financial cost too. We're going to work out how much mile per gallon, we're going to work out how much petrol costs and how much petrol put in, and I'm going to tell you the difference if I was to drive to work in eco mode every day or my normal mode every day, and the difference how much per month it costs in petrol. And I actually think the numbers are going to be quite shocking, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. So there we go guys, that is my full drive to work. We did a combination of Sport Plus and Comfort mode and we came in at 25 miles per gallon. That's pretty good. So we achieved this mile per gallon by driving in Comfort mode on the highways and the A roads, and then when we got to the roundabouts, the traffic lights, we put it in Sport Plus, the country roads, we revved the engine high, so we still had lots of fun, but we also did a bit more of a cruise in the Comfort mode. And when you combine these two together, you get 25 mile per gallon, which is actually pretty good for a 400 brake horsepower car here. So guys, what about that secret eco mode that I've been talking about? Well, now I'm going to go into the car and I'm going to show you exactly how to build it in the individual drive config. Then, once we've built the config, we're going to go for the exact same drive to work and we're going to see the mile per gallon difference. Okay, so let's build the eco drive mode. First, press the car button here to find your way into the dynamic select individual settings. For drive, we want to have it on reduced. Transmission, keep it in drive. Suspension can be to your liking, but I'm going with comfort. Exhaust system doesn't really matter, but I like it on because it sounds great. And we keep ESP on. So the way it works, guys, if you watch here, see how the gear number disappears in the middle? When you let go of the accelerator at speed, it activates glide mode. The RPM drops and the car becomes very efficient for as far as it can glide. So guys, that is how you set up the individual drive config for eco mode. I don't know about you, but I want to get on the road. Let's go for the drive and let's see how much mile per gallon we can get. So there you have it, guys. With careful driving in the eco mode, we managed to get an incredible 31 mile per gallon. How good is that? I can't believe that a 400 brake horsepower car like this can achieve 31 mile per gallon. I mean, at one point we were at 32 miles per gallon. And keep in mind, this was a combination of dual carriageway and country roads. So if we were on the motorway for say like an hour drive, who knows what mile per gallon we could get. I reckon we could push it up to perhaps even 36. Perhaps we'll test that in another video when I'm on a long drive. But for now, that is amazing. Okay guys, so now on to the interesting bit. Let's see how much money it cost me per month on fuel for each drive mode. Let's see the difference between 25 mile per gallon and 31 mile per gallon. Okay guys, so my commute to work is 18 miles each way. So at 5 days a week, I work that out at 725 miles per month. So we're going to be basing these numbers on that figure. So normal mode at 25 mile per gallon cost £167 per month. If we put it into eco mode and we did 31 miles per gallon, that would cost us £135 per month. So not too bad. Going to be honest though, guys, one thing I haven't covered yet in this video is the cost of driving this car a bit more aggressive. You know, if you were driving in Sport Plus a bit more, you weren't doing as much highway journeys and A roads and dual carriageways. I would say you'd probably average around 20 mile per gallon per month. And if you ran it in 20 mile per gallon per month, that would be £210 per month. So the difference there between eco mode and a highly aggressive driving mode is £135 in eco mode and 210 in Sport Plus. So there's some really big differences there. And if you add that up over the course of a few years, you could save a lot of money. However, this is AB Auto. This is a 400 brake horsepower AMG. We drive it in Sport Plus pretty much all the time. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, I probably average 20 miles per gallon. So those are the true numbers there. And if you're buying this car, I imagine you're going to be doing the same. But you know, not to say, if you're having a long day and you're a bit tired and you just want a nice relaxing cruise, pop it in eco mode and save yourself some money because it's also very comfortable and it's great. There you go guys, that is the secret eco mode in the 2019 C43. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me and the channel out. And of course, if you want to see more videos of the beautiful C43, then make sure you hit the subscribe button too. We're going to be doing a much more in-depth running cost video of this car soon. I'm going to be looking at finance, tax, insurance, a little bit more in depth with the mile per gallon. I'm basically going to try and look at the total yearly running costs. I've had mine now for 7 months, so I'm getting a really good grasp on it. And once I have all the information, I'm going to do a really detailed video to break it all down for you guys, because I know a lot of people have been requesting this. I promise it's coming soon. But for now, I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you next time.